Hi, you are watching PDMS tutorial. In this lesson we will learn how to create 2D drafting. So after running the PDMS software you will get screen like this and put capital sample, that is our password, and go to module, draft and OK. So you will get screen like this. Go to create department. You can give any name. I am giving Mac. Create registry. Give registry name and make sure it is from template and OK. So it is asking drawing size A0, A1, A2. So I am selecting A1. Click OK and select this, and you can directly select from here also. After selecting this, go to modify, view, limit define, and we want top view, so we are looking in downward direction. Top view means we are looking in downward direction. So here it is D, no need to change. Universal hidden line, mode is standard. This is general basic, hashing rule general, change rule remain unset, direction D, it is also downward, and match line on. And first of all I have forgot to tell you, go to graphics and draw list. First of all add what we want here. So this is our design module. I want only equipment and piping. So come here, just see stabilizer, here site stabilizer, click on this, and I want equipment. So click on equipment and add. So here equipment is added. Now I want piping zone, so just click on pipe and add. You can add whole stabilizer by clicking this and adding this, but I want only equipment and pipes. So just click update, dismiss. Now we have filled the general, and go to limit. That this is the most important thing in a 2D drafting. Generally it is a north to north distance, south to north to north, east to east, and up to up. So just come here, go to position explicitly. Actually we are not using this command, only we are using this command to know our coordinates. So east is 0, north is 0. So just put here 0. This is also 0. Apply. After this we want up or down side. Just go in our design module, position explicitly, and make sure your selection should be on graphics. Select center. So it is downward direction is 1500. Go here 1500 down and lock this and dismiss this. Come to east direction and explicitly and select this corner. We are interested in east distance, we are not interested in south and down direction. So east is 19,000. Type 19,000, check it, dismiss. Now we want north direction. Zoom in, go to position explicitly. So we are interested in north direction, it is 20,000. Type here 20,000, check it. Now we want up direction. So come the most topest position explicitly 24,291, so we can take it 25,000. Now go to scale. I am giving scale 25. Intelligent text, if you want, just click on update design and click apply. So here it is applied, but it is little bit bigger than our drawing size, so we will scale it and then again apply. Now it is coming in our drawing size. Dismiss it. If you want front view, just make sure your selection should be here and go to modify, view, limits and go general. If you want front view in north direction, type here N, here is also N, here north, and click update design and click apply. So here it is our front view in north direction. If it is not coming, we can scale it. Click apply. In our next video, we will learn how to create dimension, label, tag and notes. If you like my videos, then like and subscribe. Thank you.